Hi guys, thanks for joining me again. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to draw an angry face. So any of you who've watched my tutorials before, now I've shown you how to draw all sorts of different cartoon expressions and how to put together different eyes and different mouths. If you haven't seen those videos before, check out the description below this video and check out the link right up there. But today I'm just going to show you how to draw the one simple expression. There's been quite a few people asking for this specific one. So we're going to do how to draw an angry face. So let's start off with our face. So a very rough guideline just on there for our face. Let's draw our sight line down the middle and a little curved line there just so we can plan out where our face is going to go. Now if you've followed along with any of my drawing tutorials before, you'll know that this line down the middle is the line that runs down the center of your face. This is a sight line. This line across the middle here allows us to add this little curve that then creates this 3D sort of shape, this sort of depth to our face. Now we can use this to kind of start drawing in the key features. Now the thing is about expressions in cartoons is you don't have that much to play with. Okay, so in real life there are thousands of bits of your face that tell people how you're feeling. So if you're angry, somebody really knows you're angry. There's lots and lots of bits of your face that tell people that you're angry. In a cartoon you have the eyes and the mouth to play with, and that's kind of it. So we're going to start off with the eyes, and the key with angry eyes is to create a V shape. So we have an eye on this side, we have an eye on this side, we have a V shape coming down there and up there. Okay, so one down there and one up there, and that V shape gives us our angry kind of pointed eyebrows coming in here. Put our eyes along the bottom, and already you can tell that that looks kind of angry. Now when it comes to the nose, you can do any type of nose you like because you don't get angry noses. Okay, just like you don't get happy noses or scared noses or surprised noses. It's a nose. So I'm just going to draw a little nose in there. Ears are kind of the same. You don't get angry, scared, surprised ears. They're just ears. But the mouth, you do get angry mouths. Okay, so for an angry mouth, the way to remember how to do this is some of your mouth needs to be quite close together. Some of it needs to be quite far apart. Now you might do that with one side like that, and that will work. You might do it where it also opens up at the other side. Either will work absolutely fine as long as you have this bit that is closer together and this bit that is wider apart. Then you're going to have a nice angry mouth. And that's it. Those are kind of the key elements of getting an angry face. So now we have those in, let's just sketch in a little bit more detail. Eyebrows up there. Now your eyebrows don't have to meet in the middle. They can if you want them to, but it's this V shape that is really important. Let's draw the rest of the eyes in there along with the pupils. Let's just go over that nose a little bit so you can see it just a little bit better. And then this mouth where you have these close together bits and the bits that are further apart. And then let's get those teeth in. Now we don't want to draw in all the teeth here. For a start, it's going to take quite a long time. And secondly, you draw in all of the teeth, it's going to look too complicated, it's going to look messy. So we're going to cheat, okay? So on either side, draw in a little triangle, and then use that to draw your teeth. Now that triangle can be coloured in, and then it looks like you've got your angry looking mouth with these teeth sort of like grinding together. We're adding a little line underneath there, get a bit of depth to the lip, and that's it. That's kind of your angry face. So then we can go over these bits just to add in an extra little bit of detail, just to finish off this face. Get any hairstyle you like really. Just get a little neck in there along with our guy's shoulders, and just to really sort of add to this kind of angry face, let's do a few little lines waving out from there. This guy's really mad, so mad he's sweating a bit, he's spitting a little bit, so a few little drops on there. And there you go. That is how to draw an angry face. It's all about the eyes and the mouth. So have fun practicing this one. Thanks for joining me again, and I will see you all next time.